How to use the diagnostics function in My ASUS. My ASUS is the portal of ASUS PC software service, which provides you easy access to all the ASUS software functions. For example, to maintain or update your system, diagnose your PC's problems and provide suggested solutions. Quickly contact ASUS after sales customer service. Hardware setting, provide the customizable options to set up your PC. You can also access ASUS app deals via My ASUS to acquire popular apps and exclusive offers. Also, link to My ASUS, which is a cross-device integration software service between the PC and mobile devices, is available. How to execute My ASUS on my PC. Please click the search bar at the lower left corner of the desktop. Enter My ASUS and press enter. Introduction of System Diagnosis. My ASUS System Diagnosis lists 8 scenarios commonly encountered with PC devices and a one-click overall hardware check. Each scenario comes with a brief description and allows you to quickly identify the scenario you have encountered and select the necessary checkup. Hardware Diagnostics Demonstration. Here we demonstrate with hardware diagnostics. Open the toolbar on the left, select System Diagnosis, and click Checkup under the Hardware Diagnostics icon. Wait for a while, My ASUS starts to diagnose the hardware. After the diagnosis is completed, click Last Result to view diagnostic results. The test result this time is normal. Slow System Diagnostics Demonstration. Open the toolbar on the left, select System Diagnosis, and click Checkup under the Slow System icon. Wait for a while, My ASUS will analyze and diagnose memory, hard disk drive, and application usage. Click Last Result to view diagnosis result. You can find that the free, available capacity of hard disk is not enough. It's recommended to perform disk cleanup of Windows, then you can check the hard disk space. Suggested solution and customer support. In addition to detecting, discovering the problems, My ASUS also provides suggested solutions. 4 common features are below the diagnosis results. For example, the System Reset button. System Reset tutorial contains the detailed text and video content and it will guide you to complete the system restoration. Also, there is a button to create a recovery drive. If you still cannot solve the problem, an access to our customer service is also provided. In Customer Service section, you can find the common FAQs. Transfer to the agent. Inquire the repair status. And look for the service locations nearby. How to download My ASUS. If your PC does not have My ASUS installed, you can also download it on the Microsoft Store. Click Search bar in the lower left corner of the desktop, enter Microsoft Store, and press Enter. After entering Microsoft Store, key in My ASUS in the search bar in the upper right corner and press Enter. Select and install My ASUS app in Microsoft Store. Wait for the installation to complete, and finally press Launch. Why can't I find the system diagnosis function after I installed My ASUS? For some old notebook models, they don't support the complete My ASUS features. Please check ASUS System Control Interface v2 from the System Device in Device Manager. When ASUS System Control Interface v2 can be found, it means that your computer can fully support the complete My ASUS features. Please subscribe our ASUS Support YouTube channel. We are keen to provide you with more useful information.